Hello and welcome to Trade with Asim and Sajjad. I'm here with the weekly analysis from 28th of May till 1st of June 2018. Let's start our analysis. This particular Monday it's going to be very slow trading day because it's a public holiday in UK and US. Then Tuesday will also be a bit slower. Though we have US dollar new CB consumer confidence, this can bring some kind of volatility, but the rest of the day might just move in average or might be slower. But then from Wednesday the day will start and there are lots of opportunities this week. New Zealand dollar got New Zealand bank governor will speak, then also with some Australian dollar data. Then we have for Euro pairs German unemployment change and ADP non-farm employment change for the US dollar, GDP also. And then for Canadian dollar we have Bank of Canada interest rate decision, and normally this is very volatile for Canadian pairs. We can expect something like 5200 or 120 pips move up or down. Then on Thursday too, it's a very busy day for different instruments. We have lots of news. For Europeans we have core CPI, then also for GBP, and then for the Canadian dollar the Canadian GDP news. This is also very important news. Then the same day we have news for US dollar, pending home sales and crude oil inventories. Friday is the most important of all because we have NFP news data on that day, so hopefully you are ready for that. If you haven't traded on NFP, just avoid it. If you have, then be just careful when you are trading this US pairs. And although the expected figures are only slightly higher, but it can go any way. I personally think it can take dollar a little higher, but the move cannot be very big. But anyway, we expect that the dollar is going up this week. So good luck guys for the coming week. Let's start our analysis now with the US dollar currency index. This is the weekly time frame, and for the last 7 or 8 weeks it's just going up. There is no stoppage, and even now the momentum seems so strong that it's heading to 95.23. This looks very easy right now, though Monday and Tuesday can go bit sideways for dollar, but overall until Friday we might witness 95.23 and above. If not, then this week it's also supposed to come down to 92.47. I will show you the daily time frame for US dollar. So here you can see it's all the way up, though on Friday I was expecting it will come down, but it didn't, and still up. So hopefully this week it's again very good for US dollar. Let's see how Euro USD is looking, and for me it's all bearish, and I think there is still some sort of gap which should be filled. I'm looking at 1.1549 and below, but it might not just directly start sliding down, but we might see some kind of sideways or slower movement and then coming down. Otherwise, if it keeps going up, it might go to 1.200 again. Let's see how it looks on the daily time frame. That's the daily time frame, and even on daily time frame it's looking like it's supposed to dip again, and then if it comes to this point down here we have a very strong support area, and I will be interested to buy it from here. Let's move to GBPUSD, and GBPUSD also much weaker on the weekly time frame. It's also looking like it's going more down, but right here at this level there's a very good support for GBPUSD, and after touching 1.3220 and below, then we might see strong price correction in GBP pairs. I'm saying this because on the daily it looks like this. At this level I was just thinking it might just go up, but it did come much down, and right now I think from Tuesday or Wednesday it can just try to go up again, and till Friday afternoon it can even try to go up to touch 1.3372, and then from there after the release of NFP it's supposed to dip again. Here is USDJPY, and USDJPY is also I think it has come down, but I feel like it's still heading to 113.34 and above, but will depend how the US dollar and Japanese yen go. On daily time frame, yes, it is weaker, but Friday close was just right now it's indicating it's still trying to go up, because the sellers are not sure right now, so we might see a slower upward movement, and by the end of Friday evening it can try and reach 113.34. Otherwise if it comes down, then the next level for this pair can be 107.82 and below. Let's see how USDCHF looks, and USDCHF is actually in a corrective mode. It's doing just price correction, and for me 0.9756 is a very good support area for this pair, and it can just come down here, and from here it's supposed to go all the way up. Even if we see upward move from here, I think it can even go to 1.02, but it can take a few days or few weeks. But on the daily time frame, here it is on daily time frame, though it's very strong, but it just needs price correction, and from here it's supposed to go up again. So don't short it here, just wait for a good entry to buy again. Always whenever you find this kind of structure, don't just chase the candles, just wait for a good entry and then trade. USDCAD is also looking very good. Even if you compare the oil prices are going down, so with that USDCAD pair is supposed to go up. And for now, if we see the daily time frame in USDCAD pair, I think it will try again and come to 1.3119 or above, and then from here I am just waiting for this point. I think I will short it from here, and it's a very good level to short. And but right now maybe I just wait. I even don't enter into a buy trade or sell trade from here, but I will put a sell limit order here, and I'm just thinking that it's going to be a very lucrative trade, and I will see how the market behaves, but overall it's looking quite good. So all of those who are interested to trade USDCAD, just wait for a couple of days, or a couple of hours, just to make sure that it's going in the right direction. Coming to Australian USD pair, last week I was very much confident that it will go up. It did try to go up, but from this level, which is it did went up till 0.7605, but from here the price got rejected and it came down. Right now still I have some kind of belief in Australian USD that it will try to go up again, but from 0.7661 it's supposed to drop again. So I will wait till here and then I will short it again. The reason why I'm saying is it's looking quite good on the daily time frame. Here you can see at this level 0.7661 there's a very strong resistance level. Even here you can see. So the overall trend is like it's in the downtrend right now. It's just in the corrective mode, and when it reaches here it's supposed to drop again. New Zealand is also in the same structure. It's looking like it's a bit more weaker than Australian dollar, and we will see how it behaves on Monday and then till the Friday evening. Now if it just keeps dropping, it can reach to 0.6780 and below, but maybe from Monday to Wednesday it can just try go a little higher. Here's the daily time frame for New Zealand USD, and here you can see it just in kind of undecisive mode. One day it goes up, the other day it comes down, but overall it's very weak, and still there's a gap and it can fill that gap. I will be waiting to long from 0.6780. Our last pair is the gold, and gold is just doing well. Last week I thought it will go up much higher. It did try, but then the price couldn't maintain its level. Right now too it's looking good to me. Only thing which is concerned to me is NFP. If we don't consider NFP, gold is still in in upward movement. Even on the daily time frame it looks quite good, though on Friday it failed to go up, but overall if we can see it's trying hard to go up. So Monday to Thursday it can try hard to go up all the way to 1329 or even to 1320, but on Friday I think if the NFP figures are positive for USD, then we can see a very big drop in the gold prices. So guys, this was the weekly analysis. I wish you a very profitable trading week. Please take care of yourself. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.